Hey everybody, so we are working on planting our new garden area that we created over here. Yesterday we planted some bush beans and pole beans and we made a video about it, so check that out. And then we just finished planting some Swiss chard over here, and then now we are going to move on to some zucchini. So we're gonna put zucchini over here in the corner, and it gets pretty big, so we wanted to have it over here because it can have a lot of space to grow up and out. Zucchini is one of our favorite things to grow, especially me. I love zucchini. Baking with zucchini is amazing. Zucchini is one of my favorite things to grow because we use a lot of it in the kitchen. It's one of my favorite things to bake with. We make so many different zucchini breads, cookies, brownies. I mean, so many different things. It's amazing. And yeah, you'd be amazed at all the different recipes we've come up with. And hey, well, I'm thinking of it, in the app, there's a section under zucchini, or well, summer squash zucchini, under the blog posts articles section where it says recipes, and they'll have all the recipes that we've made in our kitchen before. So check that out. There's a lot of unique things that we have done with zucchini that's amazing, and the kids love it, especially the grilled cheese, the zucchini grilled cheese. Check it out. So we're putting it in this back corner because, well, it has a lot of space over here to grow and go wild. So what we're going to do is just right here in the middle, we're going to drop, I'm going to do 2 seeds just to make sure that it sprouts, and then we will only let one of them grow up, and that way we have a really good strong plant. So and then in about 7 to 14 days, hopefully we'll be seeing it come up and sprouting for us. So zucchini can be challenging sometimes because it is full of pest issues. So we have found a few unique ways to help all organically. Check out the app. It lists a bunch of different ways that we handle things like squash bugs because they are really pesty. One of the things that we do to help with the squash bugs and just minimize any sort of pest issue is try to grow it up vertically. So we'll go ahead and put a T-post in the ground over here, and then while it's growing, we'll kind of try and train it to just go up the T-post and go upwards instead of out. And that way we can see pests whenever they come out. The squash bugs, they're usually pretty easy to spot, especially as eggs, especially if you're growing upwards and vertically. So thanks everybody for watching. Zucchini is one of our favorite things to grow, and I highly recommend everybody give it a try. If you don't have a lot of garden space, definitely check out Smart Pots. We have them in our store, and we also have links throughout the app, as well as our website, seedtospoon.net. So check that out, and if you haven't downloaded our app yet, check that out too, and it'll have all sort of details for you about growing your own zucchini.